Hi, pretty girls. Are you going to be crazy? You're already working up a sweat.
What?
Ready?
What? Mommy? What? What? Come on, you run me.
We make them run, don't we? Run, old fat girls. Run, old fat girls. Look at you. So pretty. Oh dear, they got separated from each other. That'll never work. Oh, Odie, you're gonna get hurt. Odie the wolf dog, you're gonna get hurt. Is it a beautiful day for horse running? You beautiful girls. Are they beautiful? Are you beautiful? Ready to run, girls? Odie, be careful. Dad won't forgive me if you get kicked in the head. Oh, Odie, you're not making them run. They're not scared of you.